Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda, and I'm so glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. That'd be super cool and fantastic. I'd really appreciate it. I'm on the way to 1,800 subscribers. Woo, woo! On the way. It's happening right now as we speak. So, why am I here with this beautiful bright spring look? I'm here because I have my Ipsy Glam Bag X. Look how big it is. It's bigger than my head. And I've got a very large noggin. And it's got a lot of tape on it. So let's get in here. Oh, just a second. I'll be right back. All right, let's get into this box. Magic scissors, opening the box. Magic scissors. Let's see what we've got. Well, all right. We have part of my Glam Bag X, and that is a set of a set of brushes, and they are from Beauty For Real, and they are $42. Why is it so hard to get this out of this box? All right, this box is open and ready for business, and it looks like this on the inside. No wonder it's barely put together. There we go. And our beautiful host of Glam Bag X this month, for this quarter, is Bailey Sarian. I love her. She's so cool. Look how cool she is, that netting on her face. She's gorgeous. Do you watch her videos? Do you watch Murder Mystery Mondays? I do. And this tells us about the products in here and the dark history of beauty. And more stuff about this stuff in here. So let's just get into the goods. All right, so we got the brushes, and they look very nice. They look like a very nice set of brushes. I'm not going to open them because I don't need any brushes right now, but that will be a good gift for someone that needs brushes. I wonder who it could be. Maybe a giveaway that I'm going to do pretty soon, especially when I get to 1,800 subscribers. Video will happen. The most expensive thing in the box is from Drunk Elephant. And this is the Proteiny Power Peptide Resurface Serum. And this says strengthen and resurface. It's 10% lactic acid and 11 single peptides. And this is a really great product. And this is an $82 bottle of facial stuff. And Drunk Elephant is extremely high quality, very popular skincare. And I feel really fortunate that this ended up in my box, because this box is about 60 bucks. About 60 bucks, and this pays for more than pays for the box right there. And let's see if I can't find a little something about the peptides. Here it is right here. Quench your thirsty skin with this multiple award-winning serum. It enlists the help of 11 peptides, growth factors, and amino acids to help revitalize skin, while lactic acid helps to gently exfoliate. So that's going to be a great addition to my skincare regimen. because I could use some resurfacing, some sloughing of some skin cells. Where did this stutter come from? I don't know. And I'm not making fun of anybody with a stutter. I just could not get words out. Then we have from Ren is a gentle cleansing milk. And Ren is really great skincare. And this is a $38 cleanser. And let's see if we can find anything about that. Yes, it says it helps soothe your red, itchy, irritated, and dry skin with this gentle, milky cleanser and cocoon your skin. And it cocoons your skin and antioxidants. So that's very cool. And Ren is very nice skincare. So once again, we're doing great for the value of the box. And there's still a ton of stuff left in here. Next up, we have Rose Clarifying Toner, and it is from Georgette Klinger. And I've never heard of Georgette Klinger before in my life, and that's okay, because it might be a new brand or just a new brand to me. And this is a $26 toner. Let's see if it smells a lot like roses. Oh, it's leaking. It's all bubbly. It doesn't smell a whole lot like roses, but it is leaking. That's terrible. That is a terrible thing. Let me clean this up. I'm glad it didn't leak like in the box all over everything. I'm glad I waited till I pulled it out to see what was going on. Next up, we have from Makeup Forever, the Rouge Artist Forever Matte, and it is a liquid lipstick, and I love liquid lipstick, and I've heard really good things about this formula. And this is in, oh, it's so hard to read, number 402, Constantly on Fire. That sounds like they might need a shot if they're constantly on fire. But that is beautiful. It's a blue red, which is my favorite kind of red. And I will be giving this formula a try. Look at that. That's a really nice doe foot. It's very large and angled. And I like that. And this is let's see, $25 lippy. Very nice. I'm a Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink lover, personally. That's my very favorite. Next up is a classic I don't need to explain very much. It is the Better Than Sex Mascara, which is super popular in the waterproof formula. And this is a $28 mascara. I'll take it out just to show you, but I'm not going to open it up because it starts the clock of, you know, and the mascaras, you're only supposed to use mascara for 3 months. And then you're supposed to get rid of it and start with a new one. So that is a great mascara. And a friend of mine already told me that she wants this, so I will hook a sister up. Then we have Cocoa Rose Fudge Whipped Body Butter, Coconut Rose Shea Butter, Vegan Collagen Booster, Algae Extract Boost, and it's from Truly. And this is quite a large jar of body butter, and this is $28.90. It's sealed, and that's good because I don't need to get into it because I have so many lotions and potions open right now. But this is a really nice body butter, so that's very exciting to have. And then last but not least, from 5 Cents, and I am a perfume collector. And when I saw that we were getting a perfume in this box, I was very excited about it. I can't wait to smell it. And this is the 5 Cents Catch Feelings perfume, and it's got lychee, ruby grapefruit, Damascus Rose, Vetiver Roots, and Suede. And I like many of those components of a scent. And that kind of twist it off. Oh, that smells really good. It's got a great suede kind of smell to it, and it's got a very fresh rose fragrance, which is very polarizing. A lot of people don't like the smell of rose, but that smells amazing. That is definitely going to be a great addition. I'm going to start wearing that right away because I like it that much. I am loving it. And this perfume is a $65 perfume. So the total value of my box is $330, which is a great value for a $60 box. So I got a perfume, I got toner, I got a cleanser, I got a lippy, I got a mascara, I got a body butter, and I got this great peptide resurfacing thing from Drunk Elephant. So this is it's a great Ipsy X, and I'm super glad that I have it, and I'm really glad that it was curated by Bailey Sarian, because she's fancy, but she's also down to earth, and I love that about her. So I want to thank you for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. I'll see you real soon. Bye.